So I recently took apart this transformer that came from this switching power supply. If you're wondering why there are some components missing from it, I salvaged some components from it earlier. I already removed the transformer's core, so now I can just open it, and the transformer's core was assembled something like this. So now let's start unwinding the transformer. It's held together with some tape. I can already see some winding. There's the first winding. There are a few turns of wire on the outer layer, right in the middle of the coil. It's connected to these pins. Where's the other end of the coil connect? I have no idea. Let's cut the winding here. There are a few windings here. This goes through to this pin. So this winding was across these two pins. And this was on the mains voltage side of the circuit. Now let's remove this layer of isolation here. I can remove this white like this. And another couple layers of isolation. More windings. Some thicker wire. Some much thicker wire. What's this? That's interesting. It's like some weird material here. Let's unwind this. And then it goes through there to... Oh, this is actually one of the low voltage windings. That's why the wire's thicker. Then another few layers of isolation, which is basically just tape. Then which winding is this? This is one of the high voltage windings. It goes to the high voltage side of the transformer. Yes, the side with 4 pins goes to the high voltage side. The side with 6 pins is the low voltage side of the transformer. This winding has many more turns. And it's a thinner wire again. Goes through the isolation again. These are actually spacers to keep the winding in the correct position, I think. There. Now let's see what the last winding is. This is the last winding of the transformer, and this one goes to the low voltage side again. It has those spacers to keep it in the middle. This is more of that thicker wire again, and it's going through the spacer to the pins. So these are all the windings from that transformer. These are the 2 windings on the low voltage side. These are the windings that were on the high voltage side.